We all know we should be drinking fresh green juice. It clears your skin, boosts your energy, and honestly, makes you feel amazing. But let's be real, making it is a nightmare. With traditional juicers, you have to chop everything into tiny pieces, stand there feeding them in one by one, and then spay. The biggest game changer here is this massive hopper. Unlike old machines where you feed one carrot at a time, here you can just throw in whole apples, whole oranges, and huge bunches of celery all at once. You literally fill it up, close the lid, turn it on, and walk away. You can go brush your teeth. Now, let's talk about quality. Typical cheap juicers use high-speed blades that heat up the fruit and kill the nutrients. This machine uses cold press or masticating technology. It squeezes the ingredients slowly and gently. This means no heat and less oxidation. The result? Juice that is vibrant. This is perfect for batch juicing. Since it's so efficient, you can make enough juice for 3 days in just 10 minutes. Watch this, I'm making a classic green glow recipe. Celery, apple, cucumber, lemon, and ginger. Look at how dry the pulp is coming out. That means the machine extracted maximum. And the question everyone asks, is it hard to clean? No, the new design has eliminated those impossible to clean mesh strainers. Most parts just rinse clean under water in under 2 minutes. If you are serious about your health and want to make juicing a habit, not a chore, this is the investment too.